This week's winner of the BOTB Friday Fun competition is Joyce B, and she's just won herself £10,000.
Hello.
Hi, is that Joyce?
Oh yeah, it's me, Joy.
Hello, Joyce. Christian here from BOTB. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Just surprised that you called or messaged me.
Well, thank you for replying to my message. I wanted to text you just before I called you to check that you maybe weren't, working or whatever. What are you up to today? Have you got the day off?
No, I'm not working or just at home doing the gardening because it's nice weather.
Isn't it just? And we've got another bank holiday coming up this weekend, which is great.
That's nice, yeah.
So, Joyce,
nice.
I'm going to jump straight to it. You entered into the BOTB Friday Fun competition. You answered the skilled question online, which was about which of these is not a fish, and you answered dolphin.
Yeah.
How confident were you with your answer?
Because I know that dolphin is a mammal.
It is a mammal, you're right. Well, I'm also pleased to say, Joyce, you were randomly selected from all the correct entries. Joyce, you've just won £10,000.
Oh my God! I can't believe that. I'm just guessing. Oh my God, I can't believe it.
£10,000.
Thank you so much. Oh my God, thank you so much.
Just by answering that question online and being randomly selected from all the correct entries, 10 grand is coming your way. I can see your hands going, yeah.
Yeah, it's shaking. I can't believe. Oh my God. I thought it's only on TV show or something.
Hey, well, you're going to be at least on YouTube in a couple of hours' time. So, Joyce, huge congratulations. Well done. What do you think you're going to spend the money on?
We're going on a trip because next month is our wedding anniversary with my husband.
Oh, fantastic.
So probably nice for... Oh, thank you so much.
Absolutely. Oh, pleasure. What an amazing reaction.
Oh, thank you. I'm shaking still.
What do you think your husband's going to say when you tell him you've just won £10,000?
He would be happy as well. He would be happy.
I would be as well. Well, huge congratulations. So have you got any plans for this bank holiday weekend?
Just gardening, maybe, or going somewhere as well.
Lovely.
We're just enjoying the weather.
Excellent. Well, enjoy the weather and enjoy the £10,000 that's about to land in your bank account.
Thank you so much. That's a lot. Oh my God. Thank you so much.
Absolutely our pleasure.
I didn't expect this, to be honest.
I can tell by your reaction, yeah. Well, huge congrats, and we'll talk to you later on.
Tears of joy. Tears of joy.
Tears of joy.
Thank
Absolutely.
you so much. Thank you.
We'll talk to you soon. See you later.
See you later.
Cheers, bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you.